everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a cozy and productive evening with you. After 2 weeks, I finally decided to clean my study table. I honestly don't know where all this dust keeps coming from. And my sticky notes, highlighters, and little things somehow always end up scattered everywhere. But once I organize it all, my table looks so neat and pretty again, and it instantly gives me cozy vibes. Now I'm sitting down to prepare my Olympiad. Honestly, when I registered, I didn't realize my school exams would come so soon. And now I only have 3 days left. Still, I will try my best. For now, I don't want to push myself too hard. I will just balance my schoolwork first and slowly give some time to Olympiad prep as well. Now I am doing a little bit of my science work. Luckily, it isn't much today. I just have to make one diagram. And honestly, I love diagrams because they make notes look so prettier, especially when you add those little pops of color. In the morning, I packed my school bag, and honestly, it feels boring to do it every single day. But it's important because it's keep me ready for school. Now guys, I'm ready for school now. I really love this red uniform. Back from school now, and just look at today's clouds like a painting in the sky. Today was such a sweet day. My school friend gifted me this adorable bracelet with Mickey Mouse on it. Honestly, it feels so special. And later, I went to a stationery shop. I couldn't resist buying 3 new mechanical pencils and refill for them. Little things, these make me so happy. The next, I bought this beautiful red pen. I bought it especially for my maths teacher, since Teacher's Day is just 2 days away, and little things like these always bring me joy. Lately, I have been in the mood to create something cozy. So here I am making my own little stickers. Today's theme is a bit whimsical, tiny cute ghosts. I like to imagine they're not scary at all. Just little friends who love journaling as much as I do. Maybe one holds a star, another carries a flower, and together they will add a sprinkle of magic to my diary pages. Handmade things always feel so much warmer than store-bought, right? When I finally cut them out, it feels like I'm holding tiny pieces of art in my hand. Handmade things always feel so much warmer than store-bought, don't they? These little ghosts are ready to live in my journal, adding a sprinkle of magic to every page. Thank you so much for all the love. Guys, I honestly can't believe this right now. In just 16 days, our cozy little corner has already grown to 40 subscribers. Thanks a lot. And that's the little glimpse of my day, guys. I really hope you enjoyed spending this cozy time with me. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our cozy little family. Sending you all love, light. Bye bye.